Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. You already know what today's video is going to be about, so we're just going to jump right into it. I love these products, okay? If I didn't have them, I don't know what I would do. If they break or if I lose them, I'm totally buying them again. I need these. I use these on a daily basis. If you feel like you have something that you really need, you keep it up, right? You hold on to it. Well, that's how I feel about these products. So let's just jump right into the video. First item that I'm going to show you are the Munchkin Miracle 360 Trainer Cups, and I got them in a 2-pack. They are 7 ounces, and I got them in a 2-pack for $12.99 on Amazon. These little cups are so great. Like, my son really loves these cups. He had a little version of this cup when he was younger, just to teach kids how to drink out of a regular cup. It just, gets their sipping action in motion, and they are spill proof, guys. My son, watch him demonstrate how these cups are so spill proof. He absolutely loves and adores these cups, and I adore the fact that I don't have to clean up any mess when he decides to go crazy. Now, this next item, you're probably wondering, what the heck is this thing? I mean, what is it? Is it a shoe? Is it what is it? Is it a sock? What is it? Maybe it is a wallet holder. Dun dun. No, I'm just totally playing with you guys. It is not a wallet holder at all. It is actually a phone holder. Yes, an iPhone holder or an Android phone holder. Whatever phone you have, it holds phones, guys. Okay, this thing is a godsend. When I am sitting at my table and I am on my computer or my laptop and I just need to look at my phone really quickly, I can do so. I could also, turn it landscape, and it holds your phone so nicely. It has these little pads underneath it, and they make sure that the phone holder doesn't slide while you're trying to, do what you do on the phone. It is such an amazing little gadget. I love it. You can turn it landscape, you can turn it portrait mode, and it will not move, and it will hold your phone just as it is. It's so awesome. I love this little doohickey, and I use it every single day. Okay, I got this thing on Amazon for a whopping $7.99, guys. Okay, it is called a desktop cell phone stand, and it is only $7.99. This thing will change the game all the way around. You will totally love this thing when you get it in your possession. It is such an awesome item that I use daily, and you could use it whatever you want. And it's so inexpensive. I love a little gadget that doesn't break the bank. Next up is the Katie Daisy 2020 On The Go Weekly Planner. This is a 17-month calendar planner that I got on Amazon for $12, and it is super cute. I love the floral designs all throughout the planner, and it has little butterflies on there too, and as you guys may know, I truly love butterflies. It does have some 2019 still in there because it is a 17-month calendar from last year, but it does have the whole 2020 calendar in there, and I truly love this planner. It is so awesome to write down your notes. It has pages for notes, and it also has pages for, your calendar days and your to-do list. Make your planning the forefront of your goals, because at the end of the day, you have got to make sure that you stay up on your goals. No procrastination. We got this, guys. 2020 is our year. Let's get it. Next up is the newer ring light, the 13-inch RGB dimmable LED ring light. Now this ring light is such a godsend. Like, I swear by this ring light. I use it in all my videos. Using the big ring light is not feasible for me because I have such a small space to film with. So using this desktop newer ring light was like such an awesome thing to have. Like, I bought it as soon as I saw it on Amazon, and it was $30. And I mean, that is like way cheaper than the big ring light. And it does the exact same job. Like, as you can see, it changes the colors and it gets the brightness, and it just makes your skin look so plush. So definitely get this. It also has a phone holder where you can put your phone inside the little holder, and it will definitely hold your phone any way that you put it. If you put it portrait mode or if you put it landscape mode, it is definitely ready to use once you slide your phone in there. I did not move any of the items on my desk because I wanted you guys to see exactly how much space it actually takes up compared to like anything else that you might have on your desk. So yeah, it definitely is very small. Well, it's small enough, but it's big enough that it packs a great punch. I really love this 13-inch newer ring light, and I swear by it, I use it every day. Speaking of lights, I got this little doohickey. It is a Supon Ultra Bright LED 36 video light, and it's a continuous on-camera lighting. I love this little thing because when I'm not using my ring light, if I'm trying to film on the go, or if I'm in a small space where the ring light can't fit, I can just put this right onto my phone and it is good to go. Look how bright that light is, guys. That LED lighting is so cool, and it has an on-off switch on the back of it, and I just slide it right into the shoe of my tripod, of my little handle there that holds the phone, and it is so adorable. I love it. Not only does it give great lighting, but it also holds steady onto my tripod like none other. Like, it's just sitting there and it does its job. It doesn't overheat or get too hot, and it also comes with a charger so that you can charge the battery. You don't necessarily have to buy a new battery every single time, or you don't have to plug it in while you're using the light. You can actually just keep your battery charged and you're good to go. This little thing cost $14.99 on Amazon, and I just had to have it. When I saw it, I knew I had to have it. Guys, if you film YouTube videos, or if you film any videos, or just taking still picture camera shots, you might want to invest in this. It is awesome. Gotten a cold chill out of nowhere? Like, where did that wind come from, bruh? Well, here's your solution. The Laugh Cat Mermaid Tail Blanket. It is a crochet blanket that I got off Amazon for $13.99, I believe, when I bought it, but now I think it's like $16.99, which still isn't a bad deal. I got the 71-inch by 35 and a half, and it was so cute. Like, you can just put on this little blanket over your legs and wrap it all the way around. It can come up to your arms, and you can wrap it around your arms and just stay warm and cozy while you read your book, or you drink your tea, or whatever the case may be. I love to use it while reading, but at the same time, you can use it in the airport. You can use it at your favorite lounge or bookstore, or wherever you want to go. You can use your mermaid tail blanket. It's so cozy and well made. I love this little thing. Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm always on the hunt for a great pillow because I love sleeping pillows. So this fluffy pillow, when I saw it on Amazon for $24.99 for a 2-pack, I just fell in love. And when I got it home and finally put my pillowcase on it and got it all nice and fluffed out, it was so cushiony. I loved it. It was just the bomb. So my first night sleeping on this thing was everything. Like, I totally got a great night's sleep, and it's so plush. It did not get flat at all, and I just think that it's a really great deal for a 2-pack of pillows. This is the S-Foot Home Quilted Pillow, hotel quality plush gel fiber filled, and you definitely get your money's worth. Next up is the Maxboost DuraHold series car phone mount for any type of phone you got that needs to be mounted in your car. Okay, when you're trying to film on the go, this little doohickey is so awesome. It does not like give that shaky movement when you're trying to film. I've had plenty of these things and they always shake and move. This thing keeps your phone steady, keeps it still. It is very sturdy and durable. As you can see, it's like got this locking mechanism, and it is so awesome. Now there is a sticky part at the bottom, so I didn't want to take it all the way off because there is a sticky, but it does not move. You can trust that this thing is secure wherever you put it in your car, and it's not gonna move. It holds your phone in there. It's secure. You don't have to worry about the shaking. Now there may be some shaky because, you know, dude, let's face it, you're driving, you know what I mean, when you're recording on this thing, but it's not as shaky as like an earthquake or a tornado hitting or something like that. Okay, those guys always give those cheap car mount holders and they just don't seem to work, but this guy was only $9.99 on Amazon and it works, guys. I love this thing. Whenever I'm trying to film in my car, I use this. And I know you guys see my previous videos where the mount was really shaky. No more of that, guys. I got this and we're good to go. So yes, this thing is about to be my new best friend. As you can see, I was testing it out and she was good to go, y'all. And there you have it. Those are my best Amazon faves for 2020. And if I need some more, I'll definitely let you guys know what other products I fell in love with. Make sure you hit that notification bell and keep up to date with all my videos and subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss all the other goodies that I have in store for you guys. All the links that you need to check out these products are in the description below. So definitely check those out. Let me know what you guys thought of those. And I will see you guys in the next video.